Hello，真舒服啊！昨过啊上舒服的啊，10天以来过得上舒服的啊。
We're here. Checking in, yeah. Check in. Hello, we are at the Hilton Hotel in Tokyo Bay. We just checked in and are now going to enter our room on the 11th floor. So B's gonna give us a quick little tour. Hi everyone, this is Bernard and this is Exploreaswego. This is room 1113. It's the Celebrio twin room. And we got upgraded into a larger room with 3 beds. So come on in. Initially we booked a deluxe floor, and I think the Celebrio floor is something that they give upgrades to, you know, members of Hilton Honors, which is gold or diamond members. This is nice because the Celebrio floors are usually higher floors and they're larger. I think they recently just refurbished the rooms, so instead of getting a really tired room, you get much cleaner, much nicer, and obviously much more comfortable. Our check-in was really seamless. We were greeted by the general manager assistant. He walked us through the property, he took us to the lounge, and he gave us, you know, some food and some drinks just to relax until our room was ready because we requested for early check-in. It wasn't that long. We waited for about an hour. And before we know it, he whisked our suitcases, everything, all in the room, all settled. So we have this room facing the bay, which is the view of Tokyo City. It's quite spectacular with the view of Tokyo in the background and the ocean. So now let's start the tour of the room. We come in, we have the standard bathroom, sink, amenities, tub, toilet. I guess this is okay for...
And it's one of the ones with the bidet, right?
Yeah.
There we go.
Automatic.
Yep. And they have all these beautiful amenities. Nice and clean. One sink with bath audio and color therapy.
A different...
Oh, look at that, look at that. It changed colors. Can you change it again? The bedroom.
I guess it's more fascinating for the kids.
Yeah, there we go. Alright, that's cool. What else do we got down here? Is there a drawer?
Hair dryer.
Hair dryer. Always needed.
And then in the walkway into the room, there is a nice big mirror.
I think it slides.
Yeah, I think it slides.
Awesome.
Closet space. Slippers. Extra
See?
pillows.
Nice.
So it's a shared space between the suitcase rack and the...
Yeah, no, it's a shared space. It's nice.
Coming into the room, nice and bright, 3 beds, which is an upgrade for us, I guess. Because we ordered a twin bedroom. There's a very unique furniture, like a lounge furniture here that gives you the view of the bay. And we have some Japanese suites as a welcome amenity for dining status. We call this a desk space, but it's certainly something you can, work on. So look at this roller chair. This is very futuristic for sure. Very funky, like not something you expect from a cookie cutter Hilton, but it's nice that they add some theme to it.
Ooh, look, a fridge.
Very interesting modern display. Mini fridge. We have 3 bottles of complimentary water. Hot water flask. I don't see any tea, but we can still take from the lounge. And then this is the TV that we have, and some interesting mirrors.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is the Hilton Tokyo Bay in Japan, and we're staying for 1 night in room 1113. Catch you later.
Good morning. We are checking out of the hotel Hilton in Tokyo Bay. It is about 11 o'clock. Our stay was amazing. We had a really good time. The 3 beds that we had was super nice so that we all got some nice space and good sleep. The view on the 11th floor is spectacular. I would highly recommend asking for the bay side if you can. Otherwise, if you were staying in the other side, you would be overlooking the parking lot and the park, which is also nice. Apparently, you can actually see the fireworks from Disney World. So make sure that you are optimizing on the stay, as there are so many other things to do around. They have a pool, they have a racquetball, ping pong table, dance studio, full gym, spa. If you're just here to enjoy the hotel, it's definitely one thing to do as well. So we'll see you on the other side.
真好哦。
啊，够价免钱。
系啊。
seamless and really fast. So off to the airport.
我这个答案给好吧，我
妈妈，我们等一下帮你做那个